Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you have got any discount coupon or discount code of Eneba that can give you some discount on every purchases on Eneba, and you want to use that discount coupon or code right now on Eneba, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can use it. Now from here you have to choose a package that you want to buy. For example, this Minecraft. So I'm going to add Minecraft to the cart here. So I'm going to add to the cart. Now here you can simply click on view cart to continue the purchases. Now here is purchase cart here, where you can add this from here. And in this first section, in the cart section, you can find the got discount code. Then you can simply click on this extended button here to extend this section, where you can find this drop down section like a box where you can add your discount coupon code to apply for the discount on a purchase. So that's how you can use your discount coupon or discount code on Eneba. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.